Okay, so here we're just talking about higher order derivatives, and basically what that means is if you're given an original function, if I ask you for the first derivative, it's f prime, second derivative, f double prime, but sometimes you will be asked, just for practice, to find the third derivative, fourth derivative, fifth derivative. So some of these serve no applicable purpose, but you do need to practice taking the derivative and how far out you can go. So since the derivative of a function, f prime of x, is itself a function, you can continue to differentiate. And once you can do this, if the derivative is a function, then its derivative will be a function, and so on. So it's important that you understand the notation and what they're asking for. So if you're asked to find the first derivative, you will most likely either be given this notation here, this notation. This is a command. It's saying take the derivative with respect to x of the function. Sometimes you'll see this, but most often you're going to see at least the first three. Second derivative, you'll definitely see this notation right here. It looks like the square is out of place, but it's not. Okay, or f double prime of x. Again, this is a command. Take the second derivative of the given function. And then here, f triple prime would be the third. F to the n, which is essentially prime of x, is the nth derivative, meaning if the original function is, if the original equation that you're given is a function itself, then you can continue to take the derivative because the derivatives will continue to be functions. However, at some point you're not going to be able to take the derivative anymore. So I'm going to show you one example here, and then you would end up doing one of these on your own. So here it's giving you the position function as a cubic function. So they want the second derivative. So in order to get the second, you have to take the first. So when you take the derivative, it's 5 times 3, which would be 15t squared, plus 8t, plus 6, because remember the derivative of a constant is 0. So this is the first derivative. They want the second. So s double prime, use the first derivative to get the second. This is 30t plus 8.